Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to drop a pet and grow a garden too. So guys, there is a drop feature in Grow a Garden that will let you to drop your pet, your fruit, or your seed. Let me show you how. I'm going to equip this frog, for example. I'm going to hold it and you will see this icon. Okay, and then you just need to click on this icon to drop the pet, and your pet will be displayed right here in your garden, and you will be able to pick it up. And let me drop another pet. Oh, I've already equipped all my pets, so I'm just going to drop a seed. Let's drop a seed, a bamboo seed, like this. Okay, and you will have like display here like this. Okay guys, and that's how you can drop and display your pet in your garden and grow a garden too. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.